Hi, I'm Carol Maplesden from Cardin Family Institute. As you move forward with your plan for a new direction in your life, creating something new can be daunting and unpredictable. Here are some guidelines to help you navigate the process. Make good choices. The skill in making good choices is based in the values and standards that you have developed from your knowledge and experience throughout your lifetime. Step out and trust that you have the ability to use these precepts effectively to build a firm foundation for your project. Organize all of your desired goals. Prioritize them in the order in which you need and want to accomplish them. Let the needs provide the direction for the wants. Balancing these two will accelerate you toward your goals. Validate the direction you have chosen by applying research and listening to feedback. This will help you identify strengths and correct weaknesses. It will promote forward motion in a successful way. Enjoy the process. Don't be stressed out by all the twists and turns that your project may take. Take pleasure in the fact that you are creating something that did not previously exist. As you work and rework your possibilities, your idea will take shape. Use these guidelines to help you move forward. For more information, contact us so that we can help you begin your journey.